Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video of LeetCode playlist, and now we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 136, which is called a single number. In this problem, it checks that every element appears twice except the one element, and we need to find that the unique element. Okay, so for example, we have given nums equals to 2, 2 and 1, and 2 is the common number and 1 is the unique number, and we have to return the 1. Okay, second example, nums equals to 4 1 2 1 2. In this array we have unique number is 4. Okay, so basically this is a very simple and easy level problem. So first of all, in the solution we first initialize the variable name int answer with 0. Okay, after that we will run the transverse for loop like this int num of num, and we'll use the XOR condition. XOR condition explains that if the A XOR 0 is equal to A and A XOR A equals to 0. Okay, if the unique elements are found, then XOR condition uh, runs. Okay, so answer XOR equals to num. If both the number are same, then it will return the 0, and both the number are different, then it will return 1. Right? Means answer as it is. Right? At the end, we return answer. So this is the very simple code. Let's check it. You can see that all the test cases are passed. Thank you.